See what's in the garage today. Oh, hello. The temporary paint booth. Doing some engine bay painting. See how it's looking. Not too bad. A lot better than the old rusted, pitted, corroded crap. Got my little, I do this every time I paint stuff. I just take a 10-foot wide painter plastic and I incorporate my fan in it, the vent fan. I just build whatever size I need. Threw one down this time because I wanted to be pro. Tin foil, I learned that from Steve Dulcich. And the paints that I use this time, well actually every time that I've painted the car parts, is Omni MAE acrylic enamel. My first one that went on was MP171 epoxy primer. That's the catalyst. And then the MAE acrylic enamel in W1 white. That's the 202 hardener, extra glossy. So we'll see how it goes. Been doing some work in there. Got some sound deadener going in. I redid my HVAC. Had to make a couple brackets for that. Pour 15 in all the critical areas. Trying to stop some of this rust, but I think I got a new plate idea. Rust bucket. Should be cool.